Hi guys, Talk Back Tuesday with me, Fancy Nancy, and today we are talking about kitchen nooks. So if you have a kitchen that is open, a lot of times a good alternate to do is to have these fun little gather spaces with swivel chairs like this. So you could always rotate this to talk with the people in the kitchen. This is a great idea, and if you don't need all the kitchen seating, but still incorporates togetherness. So I personally love it. I think it's very intimate and cozy. I love the swivel chair idea. So good. They call these spaces gather spaces. So I really love it. So let me know your thoughts if you would possibly do this in your kitchen, or do you need a kitchen nook and a formal dining space? Comment below, let me know what you think, and I hope everyone is living just fancy.